Hi, Joe here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create workspaces and invite teammates to workspaces using Ocoya 3.0. Workspaces are simply an area where you can collaborate with teammates, with specific projects, with specific clients, so you can segregate all those projects into one place. To create a workspace, the first thing you're going to do is on the top here, you'll see your personal workspace alongside the plan that you're on. We're going to click on that and then click Switch Workspace. So this is the only workspace I have at the moment. So let's create a new workspace and we'll call it Ocoya. You can upload an image if you want to. Let's just create. Great, so that's the workspace created, as you'll see here. If we just go back to Switch Workspaces, you'll see these are the two workspaces I have under this account. If we hit back and we go to settings, you'll see here are the workspace settings. You can change theme color, you can change the name, you can change the time zone to anything you'd like. So when you post and publish your post under the workspace, it will go at the time of your choosing and the time zone of your choosing. Great, so the next thing to do is invite users to the workspace. So as you can see, this is my account. I'm the only member of this workspace. So I've just brought up on the right hand side, you can see another account, another Ocoya account. This is support@ocoya.com, just for an example. And I'm going to add that account to this workspace on the left, as you see here. So I'm going to hit add new user. I'm going to type the email address in. And then I can choose whether I want admin user role, manager, or viewer. Admin is typically if you want full access to the platform. Manager is full access to the features, but they can't invite new users or access billing. And viewer, in the name, is simply read-only access. But I'm going to invite Support Ocoya as admin access. So let's invite the user. Okay, as you can see here, that's been added. So as you can see on our email, under our email account, I've received an invitation. So let's just click on accept that. And great, so here you can see I've been invited to this Ocoya workspace. Let's just click on that. And there you go, I'm all set up with this new account under that workspace. If we hit settings and users, you'll see the settings are all the same, and those are the two users under that workspace. I hope this tutorial was useful, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next one.